Good morning, boys and girls, teachers, and staff. So today is Thursday, August 22nd of 2019, and here are some morning announcements for today. For our lunch choices, we have orange chicken, or pretzel with cheese, or American sandwich. And then also today, boys and girls, is the return of our pause. So we do have some students that will be presenting about things about pause throughout the whole school year. So we're hopeful to kind of get some different things of scenarios and situational things to kind of reenact in some problem areas or some ways that you can demonstrate positive pause throughout the building. So for today, I have some students from Mrs. Foltz's 4th grade class who's going to be sharing some things about how you could earn your pause.
All right, it is that time for our pause. We have some students here that will give some examples of some things that you should or should not be doing in the classroom so that you can earn some PAW points. So some teachers do it as Class Dojo. Others teachers do it a different way of like earning things such as like clips or to have marks. So today we have 3 students here from Mrs. Foltz's class who talk about things about for pause.
Talking when the teacher's talking. When the teacher says sit down, you sit down. Sit down quiet.
Thank you very much, guys.
Thank you very much. I appreciate that, guys. And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing with your right hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Great job, guys. Thank you very much for helping out with that today. So it is Thursday, so let's make sure that we're having a positive day today. Let's make sure that we're doing our best at all times. I'm going to be looking for specific behaviors in the hallway today, so let's make sure that we're staying quiet, we're keeping our hands to ourselves, and of course, boys and girls, we're walking and never running in the hall. Everyone have a great day, and make it a positive Perry day.